Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. NotebookLM has quietly crossed a very important milestone, one that completely changes how this tool fits into modern research and content workflows. It is now officially built on Gemini 3, and while that sounds like a simple backend upgrade, it is anything but minor. This shift fundamentally changes what NotebookLM is capable of. Until now, NotebookLM has been known primarily as a research assistant, a place to upload documents, read through complex material, summarize ideas, and organize sources. Useful but limited. With Gemini 3 powering it, NotebookLM is no longer just about understanding information. It is becoming a full research to creation engine. In this video, I want to show you what that actually means in practice. Gemini 3 brings stronger reasoning, better structure, and significantly improved multimodal understanding. It can process text, visuals, and structured data more intelligently than previous versions. But the real story here is not just the model itself. The real change is how NotebookLM is now using that intelligence. Instead of stopping at summarize or notes, NotebookLM is beginning to turn research into usable outputs, things you can actually present, share, or publish. That includes structured narratives, presentation outlines, visuals, and full slide decks. The goal has shifted. It's no longer just about consuming information, it's about transforming understanding into something tangible. And everything else in this video builds on that idea. One of the most important updates driving this shift is NotebookLM's integration directly into the Gemini app. You can now attach NotebookLM notebooks inside Gemini itself. That means your research, notes, and sources can move with you into advanced reasoning workflows without manual copying, pasting, or context loss. To be clear, this integration is still evolving. Google has not finalized every capability yet, and some parts are clearly still in development, but even in its current form, the direction is very obvious. Inside the Gemini app, you can click the plus icon, you can select the notebook LM below, and attach an existing notebook. Once it's added, you can ask Gemini questions directly against that notebook. What's especially powerful here is that you can choose which Gemini model responds, whether you want faster responses with Flash or deeper reasoning with more advanced models. This completely removes friction between tools. So instead of re uploading documents or re explaining context, Gemini can reason directly from your validated research inside Notebook LM. And it does this while preserving sources, citations, and structure. Amazing. For professionals, researchers, and students, this is a big deal. Imagine you've spent a week gathering research and you have presentation coming up. So instead of rereading everything or rebuilding context from scratch, you can ask Gemini to summarize key ideas, explain how concepts connect, or give you a quick refresher before you walk into the room. And because the output is backed by your own sources, you can trust what you're seeing. So you can take this even further by asking Gemini to turn that research into a presentation outline. In seconds, you can generate a clean structure, an introduction, core concepts, supporting sections, and conclusions, all grounded in the sources you already validated. This is where the real value becomes clear. Gemini is no longer guessing based on general internet knowledge, it is reasoning directly from your research. Notebook LM becomes the memory, and Gemini becomes the mind. Another major update pushing Notebook LM forward is structured data tables. You can now instantly organize your sources into clean, readable tables. So this might sound simple, but the implications are huge. Creators, marketers, academics, students can use this to synthesize research into study guides or comparison tables. Everyday users can plan trips or compare products by pulling information from multiple sources into a single organized view. Knowledge workers can analyze competitors, projects, or market trends. Researchers can extract structured findings from papers, methods, sample sizes, outcomes, all in one place. What matters here is not just the table itself, it's the direction. NotebookLM is moving beyond passive reading and into structured analysis. Now let's talk about one of the most impressive features, generating slide decks directly from deep research. Now, when you create slides in Notebook LM, you are combining Gemini's visual intelligence with Notebook LM's understanding of narrative and structure. The result is not just good looking slides, it is visual storytelling grounded in research. Dense reports that would normally take hours to convert into presentations can now be transformed automatically. So NotebookLM handles layout, flow, and visuals, turning complex information into something clean and accessible. This is especially powerful when you are short on time. You can upload rough notes or a messy draft and let NotebookLM handle the structure and design. Instead of worrying about alignment, formatting, or slide flow, you get something polished and presentable almost instantly. So Notebook LM is not limited to serious research either. It can also support structured creativity because it grounds creative outputs in real source material. It can generate coherent pitch decks, theme presentations, or narrative concepts without falling apart or becoming generic. For teams and businesses, brand consistency is another key advantage. If you upload a brand book, Notebook LM can apply colors, tone, and layout across an entire presentation automatically. This is where the product starts to feel enterprise ready, not just useful for individuals. So when you step back and look at the bigger picture, the shift becomes very clear. Notebook LM is evolving from a research assistant into a full research to creation platform. Gemini 3 is what enables that transformation, bringing stronger reasoning, better structure, and genuinely useful outputs. So together, these tools don't just help you understand information, they can help you turn it into something you can actually use. So what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you in the next
Before
one.
we end this video, let me introduce to you Tarantula SEO Spider. Unlock the deepest SEO secrets and opportunities. The superior AI-powered SEO Spider for better audits, higher SERP rankings, and more website traffic. Audit your site, improve your rankings. Audit competitors, grab their strategies. The best SEO Spider for website owners, professional SEOs, and agencies. Better performance for individual businesses or agencies. Bloggers, improve your blog's ranking. Companies, remove issues that lower your search rank. Marketers, boost your sales with free SEO traffic. Agencies, superior and faster audits for your clients. SEOs, the insights you need to go to number one. Not just that, complete SEO site audit. The only SEO editor or crawler that's AI enabled. Find all the problems that stop a site from ranking. Find your keywords using AI. Rewrite any page using AI. Get a search engine's perspective of your site. Fix any site for better rankings with issue correction. Detects on-page optimization issues. Connects with Google's APIs to pull even more data. Generate sitemaps and robots.txt with one click. Site visualizer. Advanced control and features. Included on-page SEO analyzer tool. Advanced crawler system, high speed, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Tarantula SEO Spider now. Just go to tarantulaseo.in.